Hello friends and welcome back to the Recognition channel. So friends, today I will talk about InWin PRISM mid-tower PC cases. So friend, InWin has announced PRISM mid-tower PC case with classic design. And the case is a unique design with a mirror glass panel. The left side panel is made from three seamless mirror glass pieces without lighting, and the panel offers a sleek reflective surface and that hide the internal components, but when you light it up and the panel turns translucent, letting you show your hardware inside. Its cool way to make your build look more interestingly, and especially when it's running a full lighting setup. And this case draws some inspiration from the Win 2 model from back in 2013, and which had a similar mirror design. In terms of cooling, the Prism is pretty flexible and you can set it up to three 120 mm and 140 mm fans in the front, and three 120 mm fans and two 140 mm fans on the top, and one 120 mm fan at the rear. And you are into serious cooling, the case support radiator up to 360 mm in the front and side, and 280 and 360 mm radiator on the top. And plus it comes with four VX 120 fans include for solid airflow right out the box. So friend, and you get it to 2.5-inch zero base into 3.5-inch zero base, perfect for your storage needs. And there is a 7 expansion slot of your components, and you can house a graphics card up to 435 mm in length with room for a CPU cooler up to 175 mm in height. And the case support with ATX, micro ATX and mini ATX motherboard. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.